welcome to our channel HoneyJavi.go. Thanks to all those who have subscribed our channel and those who have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel for our latest update. Now, in this session, we are going to see 8th standard, lesson number 9, Discount and Commission, Maharashtra Board. Now students, in this chapter, we are going to see practice set 9.1. But before we start with 9.1, I would like to introduce you some of the important terms and formulas which are going to be used in this practice set. So let us proceed with that. Yes students, let us see here MRP. The important term here, MRP means maximum retail price. Now whenever you go in the shop, always there is a tag mark given on that product. That is called MRP. Suppose you are going to buy some television, LED TV. The tag has been put there. That is MRP, maximum retail price. Means on that the shopkeeper will give you discount. Means there is a maximum price at which they can sell. Below that also they can sell. It depends on the shopkeeper. So that is called a MRP. That is maximum retail price. Selling price means actual price at what they will give you. They will give you. Shopkeeper will give you. So there is MRP minus discount. Always on MRP they give you the discount. Diwali discount, Navratri discount. This type of discounts are given to you. Christmas discount. So on MRP we will deduct this discount. And that will be the selling price for the shopkeeper. And we will buy at that price. So selling price will be what? MRP minus discount. So from MRP the discount is subtracted and you will get a selling price. For selling price means for the shopkeeper. For us it is a buying price. At that price we will buy. Okay. The next comes the discount. How to find a discount? Actual discount. Discount percent into MRP. Now always whenever you go going out to buy something, the discount is always written in percent. For example, 10%, 20%, 30%, 15%. So it is out of 100. It is actually out of 100. So it is written as percentage. Always discount is mentioned in percentage. So discount percent into MRP if you do, that will give you a discount, actual discount. The next is a discount percent. Now sometimes the discount is already given to you and they will ask you discount percent. This one, reverse. So what will come? Discount upon MRP. Whatever discount we have, actual discount, out of how much? That is MRP. Into 100. So we will get a discount percent. So these are some of the terms which we are going to use in practice set 9.1. So please note it down in your notebook so that we can have our future reference. Practice set 9.1, first sum. Now here, first sum, if the mark price is equal to rupees 1700, selling price is rupees 1540, then find a discount. We have to find a discount, not percentage, discount. So first of all, let us write a solution. Mark price means what? Maximum retail price. So we write here mark price is equal to rupees 1700. Selling price is equal to rupees 1540. They ask you the discount. So what is the discount? That is mark price minus selling price. Always the mark price will be more. Usually the mark price are more than the selling price. So mark price minus selling price. What is the mark price? 1700 minus selling price. Subtract it. 0, 10, 6, 6, 1. So how much it is? Rupees 160. So therefore final answer, therefore the discount is rupees 160. Very simple sum. Second sum, if the mark price is rupees 990 and the percentage of discount, it is percentage. Percentage of discount is 10. It is not 10 rupees, it is 10%. Find the selling price. We have to find a selling price. So first of all, let us note down what they are given. Mark price. Mark price is rupees 990 and discount is how much? 10%. They ask you to find selling price, but before finding a selling price you should know a discount, actual discount. So what is the discount? Discount is equal to how much? Discount percent into mark price. Discount percent into mark price. Now what is the discount percent? 10 upon 100. 10% means 10 upon 100. Into mark price. What is the mark price? 990. Clear? Cancel this 0. 0, 0 cancel. So what you got? 99. Rupees 99. That is the actual discount. So discount is equal to rupees 99. Now you have to find a selling price. What is the selling price? Selling price is equal to mark price. Selling price is mark price minus discount. Selling price is what? Mark price minus discount. What is the mark price? 990 minus discount, that is 99. So it's subtract here 990 and 99. 10, 8, borrow, 8, 1, 9, 8. It is 891 rupees. So the selling price for the shopkeeper is 891 rupees. The final answer. So what is the final answer? Selling price is equal to rupees 891. Yes, clear? Third sum. If the selling price is rupees 900, discount is 20%, then find the mark price. Now students, whenever they ask you to find the mark price, use 100 wala method. Now what is 100 wala method? Let us check. First let us write what they had given us. Selling price. Selling price is rupees 900. Discount is 20%. Correct? Now, if mark price is rupees 100, then what will be the selling price? Selling price will be what? We assume as 100. 20% is out of 100. So you can subtract this. 100 minus 20 is how much? 80. So if mark price is 100, the selling price will be 80 rupees. Let mark price be rupees X. Then selling price is what? It is given. Selling price is how much? 900. So if mark price is 100, selling price is 80. If mark price is X, that we have to find. Then selling price is how much? 900. Cross multiply. 100 into 900 is equal to X into 80. So we get 100 into 900 upon 80 is equal to X. Now 0, 0 get cancelled. So what we will get? X is equal to 100 into 90 upon 8. Okay. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0. Okay, 2 twos are 4, 2 25s are, then this 45s are. So let us multiply 25 into what? 45. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So what we get? 1125. So 1125. So what is the mark price? Sorry, what is the mark price? 1125. So final answer. Therefore, mark price is equal to rupees 1125. So 100 wala method is good for this finding a mark price. Fourth sum. The mark price of the fan is rupees 3000. Shopkeeper get 12% discount on it. Find the discount and the selling price of the fan. Same like the first sum. Second sum I think so. Discount percent they had given you. Solution. First let us note down what they had given. So mark price is equal to rupees 3000. Okay. Discount is equal to 12%. Is a discount percent. We have to find actual discount. Actual discount will be how much? Discount percent into mark price or MRP. So what is the discount? 12 upon 100 into 3000. Let us do the calculation. 0 0 cut. So what we will get? 12 0 0 12 3s are 36. So actual discount is 360 rupees. So I am writing here actual discount is equal to rupees 360. Now what we have to find? Selling price of the pen. Selling price. What is selling price formula? Mark price minus discount. So what is the mark price? Mark price was 3000 minus discount. What is the discount? 360. Let us subtract. Two 2640. Final answer. Selling price of pen is equal to rupees how much? 2640. This way you have to do the sum. Fifth sum, students. The mark price of a mixture is rupees 2300. A customer purchased it for 1955. Find the percent of discount offered to the customer. We have to find here percentage of discount. See carefully. I have given you the formula for that. Let us solve. Mark price is given. So mark price is rupees 2300. A customer purchase it. Purchase price. Purchase price for whom? For customer. So purchase price for customer 1955 means 2300 mixture. He got it for 1955. Naturally for the less price. मतलब कुछ तो discount मिला है. So what is the formula for discount? What is the formula for discount? Discount is equal to what? Yes. Mark price minus selling price or purchase price. For person who is selling, for him it will be selling price. Mark price minus selling price. But for the customer who is buying, like me, it would be mark price minus purchase price. So see, you have to change the point of view. Now, what is the mark price? 2300. Purchase price 1955. Let us subtract here. 10, 9, 2, 12, 1, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 3. So it is rupees 345. That is a discount, not discount percent, remember. So discount is equal to rupees 345. Now we have to find percent discount. So percentage of discount. बोलो क्या फॉर्मूला था परसेंटेज डिस्काउंट का? Yes, discount upon mark price into 100. In formula it is given MRP. I again tell you, mark price and MRP almost means one and the same. Doing the calculation here. Now discount, what is the discount? 345 upon. What is the mark price? Mark price was 2300 into 100. Since we have to find the percentage, so multiply by 100. Let us do the calculation. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Divide 345 by 23. You will get 23 ones are 23. 5s are. So what is the answer? 15. Correct? So we get 15%. Final answer. Percentage of discount offered to the customer. Percentage of discount offered to the customer is 15%. This way you do. Student 6 sum. A shopkeeper gave 11% discount on a television set. Hence a customer get it for 22,250. Find the mark price of television set. Now students, I have already told you, whenever they ask you the mark price, which method you have to use? 100 wala method. Yes? So let us note down what they had given us. First they had given us the selling price. So what is the selling price? 22250. Discount 11%. So if mark price, if mark price is rupees 100, selling price is rupees how much? 100. 11% discount means 100 minus 11 because it is out of 100. So 100 minus 11, what will be there? 89. Let mark price be rupees X. So what is the selling price? Selling price is rupees how much? It is given 22,250. Yes. Cross multiply. What you will get here? 100 into 22250 is equal to 89 into X. Then therefore 100 into 22250 upon this 89 we are taking down is equal to X. So here 81 ones are, this will be cancelled with 81, you will get 250. So we get X is equal to 25,000. I had cancel here because I know it will go in 89 table. You can divide and you can check. So final price, final answer, the mark price of the television therefore mark price of television set is rupees 25,000. This way you have to do the sum. 100 wala method because we have to find the mark price. 7 sum students, after offering a discount of 10% on mark price, a customer can get total discount of rupees 17. To find the cost price for the customer, fill in the following boxes with the appropriate numbers and complete the activity. Now every time we used to find all mark price and all selling price and all. Here they are given in the form of activity. Now let us see how to solve it. Now the very first line, mark price, suppose the mark price of the item is 100, already they had assumed as 100. Therefore for customer that item will cost how much? 90 it is given. How 90 will come? Suppose the mark price is 100, discount is 10%, 10% or 10% of 10, 10% of 100, so 10 rupees. So what is 100 minus 10? 90 rupees. Now, hence when the discount is rupees what? Discount is rupees 10. I am just writing here. Discount is rupees 10. Then the selling price is how much? Rupees 90. Here also you can write rupees. Okay. Now suppose when a discount is dash, then the selling price is X. Now how much is the discount given? 17. For 17 rupees, how much is the selling price that we have to find? That's what we are given for 17 rupees. Now I am writing here for rupees 17. The selling price is X. Okay. Now X upon dash is equal to dash upon dash. Now X upon, what is X? Let us see what is X. X is our selling price. So selling price के नीचे selling price. What is this selling price? 90. So 90 will come here. Yes. After this X. X के सामने 17. That is a discount. तो 90 के सामने कितना discount? 10. That way. Are you getting the trick? Now to cross multiply. X here. This 90 will go here. So this 17 as it is. This 19 go here. So we write here 90. So x is equal to 17 into 90 upon 10. Now either you can copy from here or you multiplied. Cancel 0. 0, 0. Don't cancel it because it's an activity. Teacher will think that literally you are cancel. Don't cancel. Keep it in the mind. 0, 0 cancel. So 17 into 9. 17 into 9. 7 9s are 63. So it is got 153. So what will write here? Rupees 153. Clear how to do the activity? Very easy. 8th sum. A shopkeeper decides to sell a certain item at a certain price. He takes the price on the item by increasing the decided price by 25%. While selling the item, he offered 20% discount. Find how many more or less percent he get on the decided price. So first some price is there. On that he decided to increase by 25%. Then he decided to decrease by 25%. 20%, sorry. He decided to decrease 20%. Now they are asking what he is getting here. How much percent of profit or loss or whatever it is there he had did on the transaction. First of all, let us take the price be 100. So let the price be 100. Now increase in price. Increase in price is how much? 25%. Therefore, new price is equal to how much? 100 plus 25% of 100. 100 get cancelled, so 100 plus 25. So how much? 125. So therefore, new decided price is rupees 125. So first he decided for 100 price, base price. Then he thought about 25% increase. So the old plus increment. So old plus increment, 100 plus 25 is 125. So now new decided price is how much? 125. Now he decided to offer discount of 20%. So let us write here discount is equal to 20%. Therefore, actual discount is equal to how much? 20% of 125. 20% of not 100. New price is 125. So we will write here 20 upon 100 into 125. So here 0 0 get cancelled. 25 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. 250 upon 10. 0 0 get cancelled. Discount is 25 rupees. So therefore, new selling price after the discount, new selling price will be how much? It was 125 decided, minus is 25. So how much? 100 rupees. And how much he decided the price? First 100. And now how much is selling? 100. So what it is? Profit or loss? Nothing. It is 0. So therefore, find how much more or less percent he get on the decided price. Therefore, gain is equal to gain is equal to 100 minus 100 is equal to 0 rupees. That is nothing gain or loss in this transaction. So find how much more or less percent he get in a decided price. Therefore, shopkeeper get 0% on decided price. Now student, there is no need of finding a percentage. Already it is coming 0 and already we assume as 100. So whatever answer we are getting, it is automatically it is a percentage. And here coincidentally we are getting 0. So shopkeeper get 0% on the decided price. So students, that's all for today. Today we stop here. We had completed our practice set 9.1. If you like our video, kindly like, share, subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for our latest update. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.